My name's Declan Ronayne and I'm the Chief Executive of Woodie's.
Woodie's is Ireland's leading DIY home and garden retailer. 1,400 employees, and if you asked anybody where they're going to buy garden furniture, they're going to say, well, I'm off to Woodie's, aren't they? It's a show. When you open the doors in the morning, it's theatre, and when a customer walks in the door, we're on show for them. Working with Retail Ireland Skillnet has allowed us to tackle really the training issues that we had.
Retail Ireland Skillnet was established in the year 2000. It's actually Ireland's longest standing Skillnet. The purpose and the reason for being, I guess, for Retail Ireland Skillnet is to support our member companies in the upskilling and training of their employees. The 285,000 people that get up every morning and go to work in the retail industry, and to offer them a clearly defined career path and progression within that. But it's also to return a benefit to our member companies in terms of productivity, in terms of improving their opportunities to make profits essentially.
What I like about working with Retail Ireland Skillnet is that we've co-branded a programme. So we call our programme Seeds to Success. Our very first year of this, we started with 150 colleagues, taking a level 5 module in customer service training. And we have a lot of people in our organisation who never had those educational opportunities, and they're participating in an accredited programme that gives them customer service skills. That hits, to me, the core area of skills training, which is confidence. I talk a lot in our organisation about building a confident organisation. And you build a confident organisation by investing in people and giving people the opportunity to make more of themselves than they otherwise thought they might have. And the Retail Ireland Skillnet programme has given us a perfect way of building that confidence and giving people this view that actually they can progress within the organisation regardless of their age, regardless of their gender, regardless of whatever status they actually have.
We've been constantly looking at the types of courses available, what the future opportunities may be, but also the future threats to both the individual businesses themselves and also the industry as a whole. We are providing those companies with people that are future-proofed, and we are giving the skills and the required skills to the people that work within our industry, continue to serve the customers that come into their stores, but also to continue to return a productivity dividend to their businesses. And we've done that by providing courses at a variety of levels, everything from level 5 to level 9, QQI accredited programs of the highest quality.
In any business, we need to think about, well, what's the next change? How do we evolve from here? Our business is thankfully has recovered quickly, is in strong financial condition. We're growing well, we're outperforming our competitors.
The programmes that we've had, we like, we love, we're committed to them. So where do we go from here? Let's never be satisfied with what we have and think about how we can make our people better again.